in the bazaars of Hyderabad. Learning objectives 1. To learn about Hyderabad bazaars from the viewpoint of the poet. 2. To understand the life of a girl struggling for her livelihood. Sarojini Naidu (1879 to 1949) was a distinguished poet, renowned freedom fighter and one of the great orators of her time. She was famously known as Bharatiya Kokila, the Nightingale of India. She was the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress and the first woman to become the government of a state in India. The poem In the Bazaars of Hyderabad is an early 20th century English poem written by Sarojini Naidu. This poem was first published in the year 1912 from London in a form of book, The Bird of Time, with her other series of poems. In this poem, Sarojini Naidu has described the beauty of traditional Hyderabadi bazaars. What do you sell, O ye merchants? Richly your wares are displayed. Turbans of crimson and silver, tunics of purple brocade, mirrors with panels of amber, daggers with handles of jade. What do you weigh, O ye vendors? Saffron and lentil and rice. What do you grind, O ye maidens? Sandalwood, henna and spice. What do you call, O ye peddlers? Jasmine and ivory dyes. What do you make, O ye goldsmiths? Wristlet and anklet and ring. Bells for the feet of blue pigeons, frail as a dragonfly's wing. Girdles of gold for the dancers, scabbards of gold for the king. What do you cry, O ye fruitmen? Citron, pomegranate and plum. Do you play, O ye musicians? Sitar, sarangi and drum. What do you chant, O magicians? Spell for the aeons to come. What do you weave, O ye flower girls? With tassels of azure and red, crowns for the brow of a bridegroom, chaplets to garland his bed, sheets of white blossoms new garnered, to perfume the sleep of the dead. Sarojini Naidu. Find meaning. Wares, things sold in a market. Tunics, loose piece of garment worn on the top of the body. Brocade, thick cloth, often silver or gold with patterns of thread on it. Amber, yellow-brown substance obtained from trees and used in jewelry. Daggers, a short pointed knife. Jade, a valuable green stone. Saffron, a yellow spice. Sandalwood, sweet-smelling wood. Peddler, a person who moves from place to place selling goods. Frail, weak. Girdles, belt. Scabbards, cover for a sword. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. What is the poet describing? Why? Answer. The poet is giving a colorful and enchanting description of the Hyderabad Bazaar. The poem is comprehensive of all the divergent elements of a charming Indian traditional bazaar, where we can find out about the activities of the varied shopkeepers like merchants, goldsmiths, peddlers, vendors, fruitmen, musicians, etc. Number 2. What are displayed richly? Why are they called richly? Answer. The merchants are in the bazaars of Hyderabad with their merchandise displayed extensively in the market. They have displayed their items of sale mesmerizingly. Their items are mainly attractive and charming in nature. Number 3. What aspects of Indian society by what the merchants are selling? Answer. We can find out about the activities of varied shopkeepers like merchants, goldsmiths, peddlers, vendors, fruitmen, musicians, etc. Also, we can find reference to the common mass who are engulfed in the activity of buying the displayed goods. The mesmerizing bazaar has got a panoramic view of the colors, sound, smell and sights of an Indian traditional market. Number 4. Why do the maidens grind sandalwood, henna and spice? What aspect of Indian society is presented through these items? Answer. Saffron, sandalwood, henna and spices are sold by weight. They grind sandalwood, henna, and spices because it is usually seen that young girls use sandalwood, henna, and different spices as beauty remedies. They are used in everyday life for different purposes. Number 5. What does the word chessman and ivory dice suggest? Answer. The solid figures used to play chess are the chessman. The peddlers have displayed chessman and dice made of ivory. This indicates the Indian fascination for games and the use of precious materials to make the game pieces. Number 6. What are peddlers? What do they do in market? Answer. A peddler is someone who sells things, but it's a very specific type of selling. Peddlers, also known as hawkers and pitchmen, travel from town to town, especially with a carnival or circus. Peddlers are also found on the street selling many different things from jewelry to DVDs. Number 7. Who are goldsmiths? Are goldsmiths of any special significance in the poem? Answer. Goldsmiths are those who make items of gold. Goldsmiths are of special significance in the poem because they make wristlets, anklets, and rings that is used in the marriage of a young girl, a belt of gold for dancers, and scabbards for kings. Such items depict celebration, weddings, and nobility. Find their meaning. 1. Tassels, a tuft of loosely hanging threads or cords knotted at one end, the attached for decoration to soft furnishings, clothing, or other items. 2. Chaplet, a wreath to be worn on the head. 3. Azure, the blue color of the clear sky. 4. Aeons, an immeasurably or indefinitely long period of time. 5. Barcade, thick cloth, often silver or gold with patterns of thread on it. 6. Daggers, a short pointed knife. Fill in the blanks, complete the sentences. 1. Vendor's way, saffron and lentil and rice. 2. Maiden's grind, sandalwood, henna and spice. 3. Goldsmiths make wristlet, anklet, ring, belts for feet, fly wing, girdles of gold and scabbards of gold. 4. Fruitmen sell citron, pomegranate and plum. 5. Musicians play sitar, sarangi and drum. 6. Musicians chant spells for the aeons to come. 7. Merchants display turbans of crimson and silver, tunics of purple brocade, mirrors with panels for amber, and daggers with handles of jade. Take the right options. 1. The poem describes a 1. Modern bazaar. 2. A mall. 3. Traditional bazaar. Answer. 3. Traditional bazaar. 2. The vendor's way. 1. Rice. 2. Sugar. 3. Wheat. Answer. 1. Rice. 3. The goldsmiths make girdles of dash for dancers. 1. Silver. 2. Gold. 3. Platinum. Answer. 2. Gold. 4. The poem is in 1. Question and answer form. 2. Question form. 3. Answer form. Answer. 1. Question and answer form. 5. The poet asks questions to 1. 7 vendors. 2. 8 vendors. 3. 9 vendors. Answer. 3. 9 vendors. Match the following. Draw a line matching the words to the pictures. Restaurant, park, hospital, police station, school, house, city, library. Let's enjoy the poem. Find the names of 8 musical instruments in the grid below. 4 are in the horizontal direction and 4 are in the vertical direction.